Hello, we are making a card for Make the Cards Challenge today, and the theme is coffee or tea. I'm going to be using the Sweet and Sassy Stamps set, and it is Coffee Talk. I'm going to make a background out of the coffee themed stamps that's in it, and then we're going to pop a sentiment up on in the middle of it. And I think I'm going to do A Day Without Coffee is Like, just kidding, I have no idea. But I might go with You Had Me at Coffee. I haven't decided yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp these and Copic color them. And I'm going to trim down that panel just a little bit. And I'm going to mat it with some black cardstock. And then we're going to pop that up on a Kraft colored top folded note card. The sentiment is going to be popped up in the middle of it, and it's going to be in black embossing, and I'm just going to cut that out in a rectangle or a square, whichever suits the particular sentiment that I have, and it's going to be black heat embossed. And probably add some sparkles to it here and there, and that's going to be our card. So let's get started.